What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So I did Baba on the last video. So SoFi found support right here at the mid sixes, and you can see those kind of like a small triple bottom here. This was the first test back in October 3rd. This was the second test back here in early November. And this was the final test mid to late November. And then we saw a nice acceleration towards the upside by the bulls. They were able to push through the EMA, pull back and find support, and also break through that $8 level. So price is still looking more bullish than bearish because of that reasons I have outlined. That we saw price shoot above the EMA, which is a good sign. They broke back above this $8 level. We do have this bullish trend line in play. Right over here, we do have this potential uptrend channel in play now, and also it looks like bears possibly failed to reach the target. We'll have to wait and see. I need to see further upside first. So this was one large leg down in the past. This is the start of the second large leg down. This was the first attempt by the bears that failed to reach the target. This was the second attempt by the bears to reach the target that failed. This was usually the third and final attempt, and they failed because price started finding support at the mid sixes. And we saw a nice acceleration to the upside. So I need to see continuation. I want to see a break above the 850. I want to see price reach the $9 level. If it reaches the $9 level, I think there's a very good chance to reach possibly even the 1173. So I need to see the shorts get trapped. There's a lot of shorts above these swing highs right here who are betting the price are going to go down. So they put the stop losses above these swing highs. And they're going to get out if price continues to push up higher. So I need to see price continue to push up higher, stop them out, and then there's a good chance price can push up to the 1173 because there's not a lot of resistance in the way towards that price level. So as of right now, if price fails to stay above this $8 level, we could just see it collapse back down to that low sixes, possibly even the mid fives. So again, price is just kind of consolidating for the past few days now. It needs to continue pushing up higher, but you can see that the bulls are having a hard time pushing up higher. There is some resistance right here at the mid 8, and you can see there was a double top just recently. So there's some resistance there, and price is struggling to push through. But again, it's leading slightly more upside than the downside, but I need to see this develop further to the upside to be confident we can continue much higher. So everything I see on the daily chart. Here's a look at the weekly chart. Last week was pretty bullish. This week was semi-bullish. It's not done yet, but there's a little bit of a few hours left in the day. And you see that, the market took back most of that gain from the 850 level and is still kind of dropping lower. So a little bit sideways, but again, it's still pointing toward the upside. Price made a large leg in the past. If we do see the start of the second leg from where we are right now, that would be the target of 1350. So again, I'm looking for the 11s and possibly even the 13s. If we see continued acceleration to the upside, you see that price was able to get above the EMA in the past 2 weeks versus before it barely got above the EMA. So you can see there has been a change in sentiment or in bullish imbalance going on the chart. But again, things can always change. If we don't see continued buying pressure, then this probably will just continue dropping down lower. Back down to the support at the mid sixes, possibly even towards that measure move target at the mid fives, because the bears could be still attempting to reach it. But again, it's leaning more to the upside, and let's see how this develops. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.